What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to transform your digital life in the least nerdy way possible. First of all, you want to grab your phone and head to the Google Play or Apple App Store, depending on what device you have. Then you're going to want to search for the app AdGuard. 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 It's a free app that essentially protects your privacy and blocks annoyances such as ads. Here it is. Go ahead and tap on it and you can look into it more on your own time. We're going to go ahead and download it. Alright, here we go. It's downloaded. Let's go ahead and open it up. So upon opening the app, it'll ask you if you accept the terms and conditions, and it'll kind of guide you through an onboarding process, telling you a little bit about the app and how to set it up. There are premium features that will obviously provide you with more capability, but they're unnecessary and they cost money. Once the onboarding process is complete, you should be good to go. But just to be sure, let's head to settings and make sure certain settings are turned on. So on iPhone, which is what I have, go to settings and scroll down to apps. You'll then want to scroll down to Safari. Scroll down and tap on extensions. And make sure each of these AdGuard related toggles are turned on. Now let's go back and continue to scroll down to content blockers. We'll make sure that switch is turned on as well. And they all are in this case, so we're good to go there. Let's head back to the app, AdGuard, and get familiar with it. So this is the main page. This is where you can turn the app on and off, so to speak. At the bottom there's a bar, a navigation bar to be exact, and you can tap this button that looks like a shield with a check mark in it. Here you can customize your protection. So we'll tap on Safari protection and it's turned on, it's enabled. We'll tap on filters to see what we can customize. It's currently blocking ads, it's currently protecting our privacy. I also wanted to block annoyances as well, so I'm going to turn on that. This tab at the bottom is an activity tag, and then this button over here is the settings tab for miscellaneous settings and stuff. So yeah, that is how you transform your digital life in the space of a few minutes. Protect your privacy, you block annoyances such as ads. It's really a great app. It's free. I've used it for quite a while. I would recommend it. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe and hit that bell. Just kidding, just kidding. Anyways, peace.